As the month of Ramadan dawns upon us and the electricity fills the air, it's unfortunate and sad to see what this blessed month has turned into. The month of fasting has become the month of feasting. The month of getting close to Allah has become the month of getting close to my friends. The month of getting close to the masjid has become the month of getting close to restaurants and cafes. The month of getting closer to the Quran has become the month of getting closer to my phone and social network and media and what's happening out there. Is this what the month of Ramadan has turned into? Is this what the month of change has become? This is the month that my soul and your soul has been crying for the past year. This is the month when the worst of people, the worst of sinners, wallahi the worst criminals on earth, this is their chance and my chance and your chance to turn a new page with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is our chance to make right all the wrongs that we've made over the past year. This is what Ramadan is about. This is our chance to take directly from the treasures of Allah. You know, imagine a bank was to call you and tell you, look, please come in. Today we're going to open up our bank vault. We're going to open up our safe. And we're going to give you 2 hours and you can take whatever you want. Take whatever you want, as much as you want. Just the thought of this puts a smile on your face. Wallahi, your heart dances with that. Why? You're going to think to yourself, 2 hours, I can take whatever I want. You know as well as I do that if I work hard enough in these 2 hours, I'm going to set myself for life. In those 2 hours, would any one of us have time to answer his phone? Would any one of us have time to sit down and have a meal? Would any one of us have time to sleep? 2 hours, bro, 2 hours. Money, wherever you look. Take whatever you want. You wouldn't waste a moment. Why is it when it comes to money, our hearts know exactly what to do? But when it comes to the blessed month of Ramadan, the month where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told us that the doors of Jahannam are closed and the gates of paradise are opened. The month of Ramadan, and take whatever you want from the treasures of Allah. This is the month where the Prophet of Allah, he says sallallahu alayhi wasallam, that if the people knew the blessing of this month, they would wish that the whole year was the month of Ramadan. This is the month where every single night in Ramadan, Allah saves people from hellfire. So ask yourself, my brother and my sister, where are you going to be this Ramadan? And how will you treat this Ramadan? This is the month of change. Don't make it the month of waste.